Many general contractors, specialty tradesmen, and builders rely on Acumatica Construction Edition for their ERP needs. Though it provides for them a strong operational and financial backbone, construction companies have needs that Acumatica's out-of-the-box reporting functions struggle to handle. Companies can face reporting shortfalls because Acumatica's standard reports are rigid and difficult to customize. Executive reporting on Acumatica requires manual effort by accountants, which can lead to errors. User accessibility problems can also arise because Acumatica's standard reports are not fully intuitive. There is a better way to manage your company's data. It's called Velixo for Acumatica Construction. Velixo is an Excel add-on that supercharges reporting. With a live, bi-directional connection to your ERP, Velixo can boost your efficiency and allow you to do all your necessary reporting right from Excel. Velixo for Acumatica Construction can streamline your company's cost-to-complete projections, WIP reports, commitments and cash flow reports, and so much more. Getting started is easy. Velixo allows you to build a new report from scratch. Start on one of their pre-built templates, then customize it according to your needs, or inject Velixo functions into an existing Excel workbook. Velixo makes it easy to create financial reports from scratch by enabling you to pull targeted information into Excel from Acumatica with just a few clicks. For instance, you can easily pull in a range of accounts you need to see, populate the account names, and view the account turnover. Need to pull something more niche? How about a list of AR transactions with a retainage amount greater than 10,000? Easy. Use Velixo's Query Builder function to find what you need. For construction companies, tracking the details of multiple projects at once is key. Velixo's construction-focused functions make it easier to pull data into Excel for review and analysis quickly. Just learning Excel? Every Velixo function provides a link to Velixo's help documentation to grow your capacity. You do not need to build from scratch to benefit from Velixo. Our construction professionals have developed a comprehensive suite of pre-built tools that can seamlessly integrate with your company's ERP data. Let's see how a few of the out-of-the-box templates can benefit your company. To start, imagine you're a project manager at a construction company. It's once again time for you to fill out your monthly cost-to-complete projections. The cost-to-complete template lets you do this painlessly. Rather than manually reworking last month's report, just open the cost-to-complete template and watch it populate with the current data from Acumatica. The cost-to-complete is a real-time report that extracts data from several Acumatica modules. The sheet is easily filtered using the project and date filters at the top. There's also a summary section with several important project metrics. Below, project tasks are listed with various identifiers. The project manager can easily see the estimate, commitment, and cost to date as they enter the forecast associated with each task. Two key metrics on this template are the over-under totals and the total margin percentage, which PMs can see change in real time as they update their cost projections. Does a number on the report look off to you? Drill down into any cell to view more details. Then select one of the blue hyperlinks to show its origin in Acumatica. Did some additional costs arise for this project? You can now easily and accurately estimate the final cost at completion of the project using Velixo's write-back function. Add extra costs to the cost-to-complete column and include a description. Then see how these extra costs impact your total margin. Now that your sheet is updated, it's time to push these new cost projections into Acumatica using write-back. Once the data is sent, take a look at it in Acumatica to ensure everything looks good. Commitment details. Another Velixo report which will provide helpful visibility for project managers is the commitment detail by cost code report. Pulling data from multiple queries, the report tracks all of your purchase orders and subcontracts from the original amount to amount paid, and simply shows the balance of each commitment. It's easily filtered by the project and/or date ranges. Because the report is powered by a pivot table, it's very easy to customize with a few clicks. The analysis sheet on this report is very helpful because it calculates project totals for all of the key commitment metrics, making life easier for controllers. Project profitability. Protecting the profitability of a project is important for PMs. Actual profitability to date reporting for completed and active projects is easily found on the project profitability template. This template helps track and analyze the financial performance of ongoing and completed projects. It pulls together key metrics like costs, revenues, and margins to give PMs a very clear picture of a project's top-line profitability. Switching gears now, instead of being a project manager, imagine you're a project accountant at a construction company. You work hard to keep the company's financials accurate. Velixo provides tools to make your life way easier. Let's see a few. One of the most time-consuming tasks to manage in traditional accounting software is pay-when-paid payment terms. Velixo's pay-when-paid template can help. It's designed to help project accountants monitor and manage the timing of getting subcontracts paid. The first sheet shows the receipts of received AR payments and is easily filtered by project. The next sheet shows outstanding AP bills connected to that same project. When you're ready to approve payments for particular invoices, you can do that right here in the tool, without having to go back into your ERP, using Writeback. Push this data back into Acumatica with a few clicks. The bane of every project accountant's existence is the process of providing billing backup for the projects that require it. The substantiated billing report can help you to this end. This template provides a breakdown of billed amounts and then substantiates them with available transactional data. Creating the report is simple, just requiring you to make selections from a few drop-down menus. You can choose to distribute the report immediately via email or save it for later distribution. Ready to generate the report? Click Distribute in the Velixo toolbar and watch the magic happen. Your substantiated billings report is ready. Finally, let's again transition to see which Velixo reports will be most helpful for the CFO and controller at your company. Velixo provides excellent high-level visibility across all the areas that are relevant to this position. The WIP template helps CFOs avoid the hassle of compiling your WIP report manually. What was once an exercise in frustration, pulling data from many sources, now becomes as simple as opening a spreadsheet. See more about each project with a click. Scroll over on the sheet to see some of the most valuable metrics, estimated profits, and over/under billing. To zoom in on one project, use the intuitive filter. Examine the WIP report at a task level by clicking on the WIP Project Task tab. This template works hand in hand with the cost to complete reports, pulling in cost to completion forecasts so you don't have to manually re-enter them. When it's time to recognize revenue, this tool lets you create a WIP adjustment journal entry for every project of the entity using our Journal Writeback function. With Velixo for construction, WIP reporting has never been easier. Project cost forecasting. To preview upcoming costs, CFOs need to forecast a project's remaining costs over the lifetime of a project. They can do this easily with the project cost forecasting template. Once again, this template demonstrates Velixo's bidirectional ability by pushing updated data to project budget forecasts. This template allows for easy filtering at the top. For simpler forecasting, see each task's planned start and end date. In this column, see your job-to-date cost. Now notice the cost distribution section of the sheet, including distribution type, amount, and amount remaining. This section gives you a very simple way to adjust your cost distributions. Each cost can be distributed according to your preferences at a cost code level across their planned distribution period. This tab allows you to choose from a range of options to distribute costs strategically. When your distribution forecast is updated and ready, you can push it to Acumatica to create a new budget forecast journal. With a few clicks and no importing hassle, your up-to-date data is safely stored in Acumatica. Project Cash Flow. The Project Cash Flow template provides a comprehensive view of a project's cash inflows and outflows over its lifecycle. This summary allows controllers and CFOs to monitor their cash position, forecast future cash requirements, and ensure they have sufficient liquidity for what is ahead. Dig further into the specifics of a project's cash flow with the tabs built into the bottom of the template. AR aging with retainage. Do you need to send out your AR aging with retainage to a bonding company? The AR aging summary template provides that detail effortlessly. The report summary shows the list of customers with outstanding balances, how many days past due the payments are, and calculates totals. Intuitive charts enable further understanding. All the AR data needed to generate this summary is pulled in neatly in the AR Transactions tab. Want to go back to the original invoices in Acumatica? Easy. Use the provided links in the link column. When the report is ready, use the distribution list function to easily generate this report and even send this report where it needs to go. Construction is a fast-moving, nimble industry. Time spent manually compiling reports is time wasted. Use that time to manage your projects and your company more effectively with Velixo for construction.